We use Mutex to access and mutate data safely across different coroutines. Let's create a function, give it a name hello. Let's add 3 parameters to this function. First, give it a name counter. Type is pointer type integer. Second, give it a name mu. Type is pointer type mutex. Third, give it a name wg. Type is pointer type weight group. In function body, first, let's call down method on weight group in default. So when this hello function finish, it will decrease the counter of the weight group. Let's call the local method on this mutex, and let's increase its counter's value by 1. Let's call the unlock method on this mutex, so the data between this lock and unlock can only be accessed by one coroutine. Other coroutine can't access this data. When we call lock method on this mutex, it will lock this data. After we mutate this data, we call unlock method, so it will unlock this data. Other coroutine can access this data. In main function, let's create a variable, give it a name counter, and give it an initial value 0. Let's create a variable, give it a name wg. Type is sync.weight group. Let's create a variable, give it a mu. Type is sync.mutex. Because we will create 50 coroutines, so let's call add method to add 50 to this weight group's counter. Let's use the for loop, create a variable I, give it an initial value 0. Condition I less equal to 50. I plus plus. In this for loop, let's call this hello function in a new coroutine. We will pass this counter as a first argument, mu as a second argument, wg as a third argument. Let's call wait method on this weight group, so it can wait each coroutine finish. Last, let's print out this counter's value. In terminal, let's go run. We get an error. It's a panic, tell us negative weight group counter, because here in this for loop, we give this I initial value 0, and the condition is less or equal to 50, so it will run 51 times. We should change this initial value to 1. And let's go run again. This time you can see it will print out this counter's value is 50, because we create 50 coroutines, and each coroutine will run this hello function, and this hello function will increase its counter's value by 1, so its counter's value will become 50. It's about Mutex. Hope I'll see you next time.